This fragrant, creamy coconut curry with spiced chicken legs, potatoes and green beans is all cooked in one dish in the oven. The potatoes and the green beans go in at different times, so everything is cooked perfectly. We've got juicy chicken, we've got tender potatoes, and those green beans have got that perfect bite. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now this chicken and potato curry is scalable to suit the size of your family. It uses a relatively inexpensive protein in the chicken legs, and you can adjust the heat level to however you like it, so it's perfect for the whole family. So let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 180°C or 350°F fan. Place 4 chicken legs in a large roasting casserole dish or roasting tin. Now brush a tablespoon of Indian curry paste all over the top of the chicken. Then we're going to drizzle on a tablespoon of oil and sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now I'm using a Balti paste for this chicken curry, which is a little bit spicy, but you can swap it out for your favourite curry paste, or you can even make your own if you've got the time. Now we're going to pop some foil on here and then we're going to stick it in the oven. Place in a preheated oven at 180°C or 350°F fan for 15 minutes. Now remove the chicken from the oven and remove the foil or the lid. Now we're going to add 450 grams, which is about a pound, of baby new potatoes all around the chicken. You can cut any larger ones in half. And then drizzle over a tablespoon of oil. Cover again and place back in the oven for a further 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and remove the foil again. And now we're going to stir in 2 tablespoons of Indian curry paste. A tablespoon of lime juice, a 400 gram or 14 ounce can of full fat coconut milk, two teaspoons of fish sauce and a teaspoon of sugar. Now stir that all together around the chicken so that all that sauce coats the potatoes. Now place back in the oven, uncovered this time, for a further 20 minutes until those potatoes are lovely and tender and that sauce is bubbling. Just look at that lovely bubbly sauce. Now to finish off this dish, we're going to add 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces, of fine green beans that have been sliced in half, plus 2 red chilies that have been sliced. Give it a final little stir and then place it back in the oven to cook for about 10 minutes until those green beans are lovely and tender. And now we're ready to serve. I love to serve this on top of coconut rice with some lime wedges and some finely chopped fresh coriander. And there you go, that's my 1-pan chicken and potato curry. And if you like this, be sure to check out my whole curry roast chicken. And in a couple of weeks, we've also got a delicious recipe for coconut rice. See you there.